How's everybody doing? This is our first time here. Good to see everybody. So, it's the last day of Black History, but the last day doesn't have to be the last day to talk about Black History. February 26, 2012. Everybody probably know the hoodie and the Skittles. That's when Trayvon was slain. So I just want to give a quick little moment of silence for that. I'll let MJ introduce it and we can get started.
This next piece is called Black History, a synopsis in 3 ascensions and a hindsight. I rise from post-colonial construct in search of fulfilling the hunger they put in my heart. They is Westernizers. They came about to analyze us, divide and conquer in what they call the scramble for Africa. Dehumanize, a culture for my inheritance. They came for everything my ancestors privileged us. The land, the gold, the women, the men, even the children. How could home ever feel the same again? And what words would you use to describe this kind of pain, my friend? Black history is not a mystery. Black history is deeper than a month.
I rise from a post-slavery maze, a many strange fruits swinging in my great-granddaddy's days. And after the war was won, a crow named Jim put a white cloth on his face, poked 3 holes in him. That was my grandpa's face. And like the nature of the flute, the torturing of black souls kept rising anew. And in my father's prime, bricks and stones and bars birthed a new wave of crime, substituted chains for cuffs. And in my lifetime, I stand with the question, when is enough enough? Because of Black history, blacks raise their kids with tough love. Black history is not a mystery. Black history is deeper than a month. Black history is not a mystery. So let's talk about what we see.
He got shot because of his ways. This one had a hoodie. That one had a phone. This one stole some sushis. Everywhere I turned, black people are never left alone. This one was choked to death for selling cigarettes. And these people can't enjoy a barbecue because the situation has got to be turned into a rescue.
Hello? Hello? 911? I'm scared. There's a black civilian and he's got a gun.
Little girl can't have a goal because selling water is against the law. Because while some are building dreams, others are too busy building walls.
Come on.
Makes you wonder how many thieves have their dreams stolen.
Because a life of crime
Is no crime at all.
now the future. We can have a time of peace or a moment of war, but we can't have them both. Because in all honesty, the I have a dream needs to be followed with by any means necessary. So let's agree. We can either have a moment of peace or a moment of war, but the future does not have room for both. Because if we're together in this,
And we're together now, then none is alone.
but if we're not,
Then don't comment on what I got to do on my own.
because we're all connected,
And everybody got a phone.
so why wait another 400 years to talk about
What's going on?
What's going on?
Black history is not a mystery. Black history is deeper than a month. Thank you.
Powerful stuff, man. Hey, what's ACW stand?
All cultures welcome.
That's awesome.